Today, guys, I'm just doing a quick little video here. I'm just working on these Stihl chainsaws for uh, my dad. Yeah, he sent both these one with me a while back. This one here is a 028 Wood Boss. Um, this one's back on hold. I tinkered with it a while back, and then all the orange plastics were missing. This handle here was missing, um, so I kind of couldn't go any further. So my dad found those parts, and then now it's still missing. There's a screw on this side here where that black little O-ring is right there. It doesn't have the right screws for the grab bar. The clutch brake is not. It's missing the piece that breaks against the clutch drum. Yeah, so well, we'll see. I got it so the on-off switch works on it and whatnot, but for now it's kind of pointless to go on with this one because we're missing so many little random pieces. So we'll see what we do with this one. But over here right now on the bench, you got this 026 that I know runs. It is leaking oil, so I got to dig into that and figure out what I can find out. Leaking oil pretty good there. But the recoil broke on it, so I didn't really feel like going to the store to buy recoil cord, so I figured, hey, I have Paracord. Paracord's rated for 500 pounds. That should work for a recoil cord, so I'm going to get this wrapped up, and I guess I'll check back in. Well, after digging into this side, I got the recoil fix there with the Paracord. That seems to work out well. And oil leak. Some of the a little bit newer, I think this is a little bit older model saw, will have, there's back in here, underneath the muffler will be a plug that apparently falls out in some of these saws, and then they'll puke oil in there. This one, and it cleaned the best, I guess, but I did not see any such plug, but I got this nice little oil build up here. So I'm thinking this one's probably got an oil leak because I think this is one of those saws that's got, the tank is made up of the two halves of the case, so the seal in between here I think is leaking because there's a rubber hose from the oil pump to the oiler for the chain, and that rubber hose, I looked at that and that looks dang near perfect. So I think I'm gonna have to crack the saw in half. So yeah, I probably want to get if I'm gonna go that far into it, I'm gonna need to get the crank seals for it and just reseal the whole saw. So well, get back to this one at a later date, I guess. Well, till next time. Yeah, have a good one.